Gavin just informed me he's doing bigger laps, faster speeds now. He wants everybody to see. I want everybody to see the look on his face when he comes around this corner. The determination. Wow, man, that is really fast, dude. You think you could go faster this next lap? Alright, let's go ahead and see. And we'll show Grandpa, Papa, and Pa. Here he goes. And I give it to him, it's a much faster speed than the last lap. Here he comes. Wow! Alright, hey. Now you gotta go 3 laps. 3 times around. 1, 2, 3, okay? Come on! Keep going around and around. No, 2. 2 more times. But you got to go around and around and around and around. Don't stop, okay? Getting good with the throttle control. Ooh, here he comes wide open. Go, 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 go! There he goes. Wow, that was pretty fast. You think you could go faster one more time? Maybe even faster? You think so? Why? Why? Because you're driving? Okay, well let's go ahead and see then. Let's see if you can do it, okay? Alright, you ready? Pull your helmet down a little bit, buddy. Pull the front down. Good. Yeah. There you go. Good boy. Alright, does it feel good? Yeah. Is your strap on? Let me see. Did your mommy put your strap on? Yeah, hold on. Let me fix that. That's not right.